Wall Street Bluffs. In front of La Grande Residence. I will show now to you menu and inside. Okay, this is menu. Business hour. I want to take video. It's okay, no problem. No problem. So working from Monday every day from 9 to 12.
Yes, sir.
Every day. Don't have until midnight working.
Yes, sir. Here's our printed room, sir. And if you want some recommendations, just let me know, sir.
I want to filming only now. I want only filming.
Oh, okay, sir. It's okay.
Because I don't have time so much. Sorry, but my friend always go to eat breakfast here.
Yes, sir.
That's why I know this place.
Okay, sir. Enjoy, sir.
Many my friends all from La Grande Residence. Yes.
So I want to show our food there.
Yes, of course. That's why I want to show what you have now.
Thank you for that, sir. We have fresh vegetables.
Yeah, fresh vegetable for salad. Bread also.
Yes. Protein bar and banana bread.
It's banana bread.
Actually, we do have cookies, but it's currently sold out.
Already sold out cookies.
Yes.
Drinks also have. Homemade chocolates, this one?
Yes, sir. No, sir. This one.
This one homemade chocolate.
Yes.
So this is 200 this one, yeah?
Yes, sir.
Who made? Who can cook this one? Who can?
Actually, the owner have a
Owner.
partner. No, sir. The owner have a partner. He's actually a Belgian. And he makes chocolates.
Because he know how to cook.
Yes.
Yeah, because I know Philippine people maybe don't know how to cook chocolate.
Yes, sir. And he's actually familiar with it.
Only who know only.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
We also have our own product, the pickles. So it's made here and we are selling them.
Pickles?
Yes.
Really here? Because I see pickles in the Germany restaurant. With your logo.
That's made here.
Yes, big size, small size. All information for tourists who go to Angeles first time. You can take this all. It's good. Okay, thank you very much. I will upload in my channel. It's My Life Philippines.
Like Philippines?
It's My Life Philippines. Yes.
My life.
It's My Life Philippines. All together
Yes.
you can find. Maybe in the middle of a week I will upload. Because need edit.
Thank you so much.
Can you mention our store, sir, in your blog, please?
Right?
Yeah.
Can you mention the store in your blog?
Yes. I will post and you can see.
Yeah, we also have another branch
Where?
in Angeles University Foundation.
Near Angeles.
Yes.
Right side, left side. Where? Near Angeles or in front?
Do you know the hospital Angeles University
Yes.
Foundation?
Yes.
Yeah, just along that road
Mhm.
and just go straight. You'll find the hospital and we have the Jollibee,
Yes, I know.
7-Eleven.
Yes.
and-
Okay, maybe someday I will go and filming
Yeah.
also in another branch.
Yes, she's actually the manager in the US.
So I can see you.
Yes.
Okay.
I'm gonna wait to
there, sir.
Yes. Sometimes I filming everywhere in Angeles, not only walking street, but most of video from walking street because tourists like walking street. So I filming only for who like. What they like, I filming.
Okay, yes, sure.
Okay.
We'll follow you, sir.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. Have a great day.
And you, thank you. So guys, you know, yes, yeah. So you can see this is Wall Street Wrap, and very, very close from La Grande residence.